Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak Easy English.
Hey friends! Today we're learning how to order pizza over the phone in English.
That's right, this is a super useful skill, whether you're too tired to cook, hosting friends, or just craving pizza.
We'll show you what to say from the moment they pick up the phone until you hang up with your pizza ordered.
And of course, this is shadowing practice. We'll speak clearly and slowly, so you can repeat after us.
You'll learn how to say your order, ask questions, spell your name, and even ask about delivery.
Let's get started. You pick up your phone and dial the pizza shop.
The person at the pizza shop answers and says something like, "Hello, Luigi's Pizza. How can I help you?"
Now it's your turn. You can say, "Hi, I'd like to place an order for pickup."
Or, if they deliver, you can say, "Hi, I'd like to order a pizza for delivery."
Here are two more options. Can I place a takeout order? I'd like to get a large pizza to go.
Repeat with us. "Hi, I'd like to place an order for pickup. I'd like to get a large pizza to go."
Great. Next, they'll ask you what you'd like to order.
Time to say your order clearly. Start with the size. "I'd like a medium pepperoni pizza."
You can add toppings. Can I get a large pizza with mushrooms and olives?
Or ask for no toppings. "One small cheese pizza, no toppings, please."
Want more than one? I'll take 2 large pizzas, 1 meat lovers and 1 veggie.
Let's say them together. "Can I get a large pizza with mushrooms and olives? One small cheese pizza, no toppings."
Good job. Let's move on to sides and drinks.
Try this. "I'd also like garlic bread and a bottle of Coke.
And dessert?
Do you have any brownies or cookies?"
That's how you build your full order. Now, let's ask questions if needed.
Not sure what they offer? You can ask, "What kinds of pizza do you have?"
Or, do you have any specials today?
Other good ones are, "What size options do you have? Do your pizzas come with sauce?"
Want to ask about ingredients? Does the veggie pizza have onions? Or, is your crust gluten-free?
Repeat with us. "Do you have any specials today? Is your crust gluten-free?"
Menus are different everywhere. Don't be shy about asking.
Once your order is clear, they'll probably ask for your name.
The person might say, "Can I get your name for the order?"
You can say, "Sure, my name is Luna." That's Luna.
Or, "It's Henry, Henry."
If they ask for your number, try, "My phone number is 416-555-0192.
Or, it's 604-867-5309.
Let's repeat. My name is Henry, Henry. My number is 416-555-0192.
Perfect. Then they'll tell you the price and time.
They might say, "It'll be ready in 20 minutes. That'll be $18.
If they don't tell you, ask, "How long will it take?"
Or, "How much will that be?"
Want to confirm the size? Is that a medium or a large?
Let's practice together. How long will it take? How much is the total?
Now you're almost done. Let's finish the call politely.
Say something kind at the end, like, "Thank you. See you soon."
Or, "Great. I'll be there in 20 minutes."
Or if it's delivery, "Thanks. I'll wait for the driver."
Let's say them. "Thank you. See you soon." "Thanks. I'll wait for the driver.
Sometimes there's a problem. Maybe the call isn't clear.
Try this. Sorry, could you repeat that?
Or, can you speak a little slower?
Bad signal? Say, I didn't catch that. Can you say it again?
You might also ask, is it cash only or do you take cards?
And for delivery, will the driver call me when they arrive?
Repeat after us. Can you say that again, please? Do you take credit cards?
Let's do role play.
I'll be the person at the pizza shop.
And I'll be the customer. Let's go.
Hello, Tony's Pizza. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to order a pizza for pickup.
Sure. What would you like?
One large pepperoni and one medium veggie with no onions. I'd also like garlic bread and a bottle of Coke.
Got it. Anything else?
No, that's all. My name is Henry, Henry. My number is 416-555-0192.
Thanks, Henry. Your total is $29. It'll be ready in about 25 minutes.
Great. I'll come pick it up. Thanks.
You're welcome. See you soon.
Now, let's see the full conversation from start to finish. Let's see what you remember.
1. How did the customer start the call?
2. What was the order?
3. How did he give his name?
4. What did he ask about price or time?
5. What did he say to end the call?
If you missed anything, go back and listen again.
Wow! You now know how to order pizza like a pro. From starting the call, giving your order, asking questions, and saying goodbye. You've covered the full journey.
You also practiced how to spell your name, give your number, and even ask for special requests.
Next time you're too tired to cook, try calling your favorite pizza place in English.
Or when friends come over, show off your skills and order with confidence.
And don't worry if it's not perfect. Every phone call is a chance to get better.
If this episode helped you, please like and subscribe.
It really means a lot, and it helps us keep making more real English lessons just for you.
Thanks again for joining us today.
We'll see you next time, same place. Until then, enjoy your pizza and keep speaking easy.